fellas? This is Texas Tandem here. Today I am at Wilson Road Park and I am going to be trying to bass fish today. Strictly artificial. I am going to be throwing the wacky worm today. I do got a couple jigs, a couple crawdads, a chatterbait. Let's see, at least we can get one on land, fellas. It's been a while since I bass fished. I need to actually work on bass fishing. So you guys stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see, man. Today I am riding solo, no sun today, so I got a couple hours to myself. See if we can get this done, fellas. You guys stay tuned. Oh, water's a little high. Water is a little high. See, we got this tuned in today. I am going to be throwing it on the Tatula CT. So got it on a St. Croix rod. First cast. Oh man, we got one, fellas. We got one. Oh man, on the wacky worm, fellas, we did get one. Oh man, I can't believe this. We got him, fellas. We got him. Yes, sir. Yeah. Not a big one, but we got one. Woo, man, you don't know how excited I am, man. I haven't caught a bass in a long time. Yes, sir. Yeah. Let's let him go. All right, man. Dude, I'm freaking speechless, bro. I haven't caught a bass in years. This is fucking mental. This is awesome, fellas. I felt that thump, though. Felt that thump. I ain't doing nothing special, fellas. I'm just letting it drop, giving it a couple pops, keeping the line kind of tight. Yes, sir, man. I'm speechless, man. I don't know what to say. That is freaking awesome, bro. First bass for 2021 for me, fellas. Oh, man. I felt little nibbles again. Hold on. Alright guys, so I got some stuff to go do, man, but I am gonna call it a day. So I didn't get skunk. I did catch that bass. I did catch it on this color pattern green with the white belly. I want to say this was about 5 inches. It did all right. I was fishing on that side, so yeah, it did surprise me. The recording on that one was, I almost did not capture it. I had to press my button. I thought I had it on record, but I did not. But you guys did get to see a little bit of that. But this pond actually is really pressured, so it's kind of hard for you to hook up on these bass. But yeah, until then guys, we're gonna go ahead and head out. So like, subscribe, share, comment. Please help me out and subscribe, guys. It's free. It'll help me out, and I'm pretty sure you guys enjoy watching my videos. So if you could please hit that subscribe button and hit that little notification bell so you guys can go ahead and be notified when I do upload a video. So till then guys, you guys be safe, stay blessed, keep fishing. See y'all later.